Okay, welcome back to APRIS tutorial. Now we are going to learn how to perform a new map from photo. Okay, this will be using a schematic drawing. And once I selected my schematic drawing, my first step is to click on this drawing detection. So when I click on this drawing detection, the software will open up a pop-up. So from here you can see this pop-up, right? So now I'm going to select this polygon line and create a ROI, region of interest. So once I click this, alright, you can see when you move your cursor over on the drawing, you can see a plus. Okay, so now what I want to do is to select or draw the boundary as close to the tube as possible, because these are the region of interest. Alright, so once you close the loop, alright, the region of interest will be highlighted in green. So now the next step is to identify the X and Y axis. Okay, so I will select the X and Y axis. So I will click and place a box. Now I will click on this box and go to the next point. Click and hold here and let go. Then I'll right click and do a recalculate pitch. Next, I will left click on the box again and drag it to the next point, next intersection. Then I will right click and recalculate pitch. Okay, so I will repeat this for a few more points. The more points I create, the more accuracy the detection will be. Okay, so let's say I created 5 points. Next, I will create the y-axis. So I will create another 5 more points. So I'll click on this intersection, click on the box, drag it down to the next intersection, let go of your mouse, right click, calculate pitch, left click and drag and to the next intersection and release, and click on the pitch, recalculate pitch. I'll repeat this for a few more steps. Okay, once this is done, X and Y axis is done, next what you'll do is fill zone. Okay, so it's okay that some of the tubes are not filled up, alright, due to my drawings. Okay, but not to worry, I can just save and exit. So what happened here is I can actually go to manual detection, and I can add tube manually. So these are the few tubes that were not found, right? Okay, so once this is done, next what I'm going to do is I will do the ordering. I can define the first tube and define the second tube and click order. Okay, so I have all my tubes created. Okay, so then next I will fill in my parameters and my inspection details, and I can save this session. Okay, Okay, so now that I'm done, next is to shut down the software and go on site, open up the software. Okay, after the system initialize, right, you will do a calibration. After the calibration, you can start to do your measurement. Okay.